With Elementor 327, we're introducing advanced column and row span controls to grid containers, a highly anticipated update that takes your design possibilities to the next level. The grid experience just got even better. Let's see how it works. So here's our starting point, a simple grid layout with evenly spaced cells. I'll add a few widgets to build a structure, images, text as well, button. With just these elements, we can transform the layout completely. First, let's focus on the image. By increasing its column span, I can make it take up to 2 columns, giving it more presence in the layout. Of course, there's no limit here. I can change it to 3, to 4, and so on. You get the idea. Now, adjusting its row span makes it taller, creating a visually striking focal point. Okay, that looks good. Now let's work on the text. So I'll increase both its column and its row span. Great, so I have some balance there. These tools give you the power to transform grids from a basic layout tool into a creative playground.